Is it possible for Dogecoin to reach $1 per unit in this cycle? I believe it is absolutely possible. And in this video, I'll be showing you why I think Dogecoin will reach $1 in price in this cycle, and most importantly, how you can make money from Dogecoin as it rises. How you make money. It's not just enough for the coin to rise. It's also very important to know how you can make money from the growth of that coin. This is what we'll be achieving in this. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, subscribe, and turn on notification bell. So when next I publish new video, you'll be the first to get. So we'll be looking at this video in three sections. The first section, we'll be looking at what is Dogecoin, important information you need to know about Dogecoin. Secondly, we'll be looking at what are those factors or what are those triggers, what are those things that will cause the price of Dogecoin to reach $1. And lastly, we'll be looking at the price action of Dogecoin. How has it grown, and how much do we have for it to reach $1? And we'll also be looking at where you can buy it. Firstly, what is Dogecoin? Okay, so this is Dogecoin. Now, before looking at some articles, Dogecoin is a meme coin, or it's a meme coin project. It's a project created to make fun of Bitcoin, and it was created. And as time goes on, it developed a very active, a cult-driven community, a cult-like community. So when Dogecoin was built and launched, it had little engagement, little community, it had little popularity and awareness or promotion. Yeah, but with time, a community developed, including the famous Elon Musk, richest man, became a fan of Dogecoin, and that was what caused the explosive growth of Dogecoin that was experienced in the last two cycles. So we're looking at on this Dogecoin homepage, a website rather, what is Dogecoin? An open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. Now, Dogecoin is created to represent dogs, and the breed kind of dog is the Shiba Inus dog. Okay, and you will see this on Twitter, on crypto Twitter, on daily pages. You see pictures of dogs. Those dogs are from Shiba Inus breed of dogs. So Dogecoin was created to represent dogs. It was created to represent jokes. So that's being understood. Let's look at an article by Cointelegraph, what they have to say about Dogecoin. Dogecoin let's look at it. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that came into existence in 2013 based on comedic inspiration rather than a particular strongly to fail in this case. The cryptocurrency was inspired by the Doge meme, which shows a picture of Shiba Inu, a Japanese dog breed, sitting with its paws folded. Text overlays the image of the dog with phrase shouting or sensical grammar. Now, this is the famous Shiba Inu dog's paws, famous Dogecoin image. Now, Dogecoin, a meme coin does not necessarily need to have a utility or a use case, but it need to be built on around something that we say, something that people would like, something that people can associate with. And dog was one of those animals, or those things that people relate with, that people can associate with. So Dogecoin happens to be the first meme coin to be created, or meme coin project to be created. So having explained this, so that is Dogecoin. Let's look at how Dogecoin performed. You see, when Dogecoin was created around this time, 2021, you can see in 2021 it performed extremely well. That was after COVID time, or during the COVID time, 2021. You can see that it's now consolidating, and now it's trying to pick up in 2024. So in 2025, Dogecoin will likely $1. Let's look at what are the main drivers. Why do I believe so much that Dogecoin will possibly reach $1 in the cycle? Now, let me make a disclaimer. Everything I'm saying in this video is not okay. What I'm saying is purely for educational and entertainment purpose. If you need a financial advice, kindly consult a financial advisor. So one of the first catalysts, one of the first triggers that we make Dogecoin to reach $1, the Department of Government Efficiency Agency. Now, during the Donald Trump and Kamala Harris campaign, Elon Musk was a supporter of Donald Trump. He worked to ensure that Donald Trump wins the election. Fortunately, Donald Trump won. So one of the ideas that Elon Musk brought or proposed to Donald Trump was to establish a government agency called the Department of Government Efficiency. And what the Department of Government Efficiency will do is to help to cut trillions of dollars of government waste. So that is what the Department of Government Efficiency will do. And Donald Trump liked the idea, and now the department has been established. Yeah, but what is funny about it is that the acronym for the Department of Government Efficiency is Dodge. So that means whenever you want to measure the agency, you mention Dodge. In the media, the mainstream media, social media, politicians, everybody is mentioning Dodge, the Department of Government Efficiency. Now, this is what will happen. Whenever Dodge is mentioned, whenever Dodge is talked about, it impacts the price of the original Dogecoin. So that means it impacts the price of the original Dogecoin. So that means as the price of this, although the Department of Government Efficiency also has its own token, as this movement, as it grows, it impacts, so the price of Dogecoin grows. And I think this is so important. The point of what I say, in the span of a little over 3 months, what started as an idea mentioned by Elon Musk on the Les Friedman podcast quickly turned into a viral meme, then a popular political movement, and is now a reality. So this is simply saying the Department of Government Exchange is also a meme, and once it grows, the growth will impact the original, the first Doge meme coin, which is Dogecoin. The next catalyst that I think we send Dogecoin to $1 is the meme coin super cycle by a trader or an investor, Murad. Now, this is what we have here. Murad is a crypto investor, now meme coin investor. He believes that other cycle were led, for example, the first 2021 was before 2021. That was when ICO, that was when ICO gained popularity. Then we have DeFi and then one. So in other cycles, but in this cycle, Moran believed that it is Bitcoin that will lead with Bitcoin will outperform every other narrative and every other category. So this is what he has to say. In 2017, we had one Bitcoin. In 2021, we had 1,000. In 2025, we have 1 million plus. The market wants meme more than Dogecoin, and the trend has been building up for 10 years. So this is the chart. 2017, we have Dogecoin. 2021, we had just few coins, and in 2025, we have plethora of meme coins. We have platforms like on.fun. We have other platforms that are dedicated to the launch of meme coins. Now he believed that some meme coins will reach 100 billion, 10 billion. Many of the meme coins will reach 10 billion, 20 billion, 100 billion, and so on and so forth. So as the meme coin market grows, the first meme coin that will grow, that will lead on that, is Dogecoin. So this is the second reason. This is one of the most bullish reasons. I believe that the meme coin sector will grow and the price of Dogecoin will quickly get to $1. Here's what Elon Musk has to say regarding Dogecoin. I do find that oftentimes the most iconic or entertaining outcome is the most likely. And to me, the most entertaining outcome could be Dogecoin becoming the new world currency. This is what Elon Musk says, that the more funnier an idea is or a project is, the high likelihood it has to become the dominant or the most successful project or the most successful idea of an outcome. That's why he believes in the potential of Doge. And you can see how Elon Musk has been part of the promoter, the influencers of Dogecoin. So the next we'll look at what is the price action, how to make money from this, and where we are going from here. Now, how do you make money from Dogecoin? As Dogecoin reach $1, how will you make money from? First, let's look at Dogecoin with the market cap of Ethereum. Dogecoin with the market cap of Ethereum will give us $3 per Dogecoin, and that will be 6x. But what is the current market cap of Ethereum? Look at it here. The current market cap of Ethereum is 441. Okay, but let me look at this year. Okay, the current market cap of Ethereum is $442 billion. Okay, and that of Dogecoin is $64 billion. So that means, do you think Dogecoin can have a growth that will make the market cap of Dogecoin $500 billion? It is possible, but it's not likely. It's possible, but it's not likely. So the strategy for you to make money is spot trading. So that means at this price, or you buy at support, you buy the coin, you buy Dogecoin at support, or in a dip, you buy it and you keep it and you wait for this analysis to play out. Wait for Dogecoin to reach $1. Dogecoin reaching $1. Dogecoin reaching $1 will be 2.2x from there. That is a huge profit. Then once it reaches the $1, you take profit. That is simply the simple strategy that you use to make money. You buy when it dipped, and you wait for the price of Dogecoin to reach $1. When it reaches $1, you take your profit. And why some other person believe that Dogecoin could reach $6, $10? Yeah, but let's be conservative. When you get to $1, you take profit and look for other opportunities to make money from. So let's quickly look at the price action here. So this is support, this is support, and this is resistance. Now, once this resistance is unable to be held, the price will dip down to this support level. And if the support level is unable to hold, to come down to this support level. Yeah, but with the macroeconomic factor and the current trend, we believe that Dogecoin will break this resistance. Once it breaks it, the next target could possibly be $1. So where will you be looking to buy from? You'll be looking to buy from support. Once Bitcoin dips, okay, it usually affects Dogecoin. Once the Bitcoin dips, go and buy the coins that you want to buy. Go and buy Dogecoin. Go and buy Dogecoin and be ready. So in fact, even buying from this position is so good because we are at 0.43. Yeah, but wait for a dip. Once Bitcoin dip, it affects other coins, especially meme coin. So that will be the perfect time to buy and be ready, position yourself so that you can make money as the price goes. Okay, where can you buy this from? You can buy it from exchanges, top exchanges. I think it's preferable to buy from top exchanges. Like Binance, you can buy Dogecoin. In fact, tier 1 exchanges have, most tier 1 exchanges have Dogecoin. You can buy from Binance, you can buy from OKX, from J.io. Just check the description section. You see the link. You have not created your Binance or Bybit account. Check the description section. You see the link, the true link, the link that will help you to set it up. So create an account, Binance account, and Bybit account, so that you can be ready to buy Dogecoin. So if you find this content helpful and valuable, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, like and comment. Also, there's a video on Solana prediction. I believe that Solana will reach $1,000 per unit in this cycle. Check how you can build up your Solana holding. CoinDollar has a community. In this community, what we do is we help individuals to make money on crypto on daily basis. Check the description section and you find the link to join the community. See you in the next video.